Hello students, today we read our first lesson from our English grammar, the sentence and the phrase. A group of words having a proper order to express a complete sense is called a sentence. क्या कहते हैं कि sentence वो group of words है जिसको एक proper order में लिखा जाता है और जो हमें complete sense, complete meaning देता है. A sentence is a group of words which give us complete meaning, complete sense or written in a proper order. Read the following groups of words. A for walk, let go, us. The poor helps needy, the and he always. Do the above groups of words mean anything? No, because they are not placed in a प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. कहते हैं इन वर्ड्स को, ये जो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं इनको हमने प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में नहीं लिखा है और ये हमें मीनिंग भी नहीं दे रहा है, इसलिए हम इस ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड को सेंटेंस नहीं बोल सकते. नाउ रीड द सेंटेंसेस. लेट अस गो फॉर अ वॉक. दिस इज written in a proper order and it give us complete meaning. So it is a sentence. He always helps the poor and the needy. The group of words placed in a proper order above make a complete sense and they are therefore called sentences. Kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences. Assertive sentences or declarative sentences. An assertive or declarative sentences states or declares something. कहते हैं ऐसे sentences जो कुछ हमें state करते हैं और declare करते हैं, वो sentences हमारे assertive sentences होते हैं. Simple sentences which tell something. It can be a positive or a negative. ये positive भी हो सकते हैं, negative भी हो सकते हैं. First sentence, I like him very much. This is a positive sentence. There are no clouds in the sky. This is negative. He invited me to dinner. Positive. He isn't the man fit for this job. Negative. An assertive sentence is always ends with a full stop. Simple sentences are called assertive sentences. Interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a direct question. कहते हैं interrogative जो sentences होते हैं that are ask something. These are direct questions. It can be positive or a negative. दोनों होते हैं ये. It ends with a question mark. Question mark. Yeah, these are some examples of interrogative. What does it mean? This is positive sentence. Isn't he happy yet? This is negative. He behaved violently. Positive. Why didn't he meet you? Negative. Who met you yesterday? These are interrogative sentences and these are end with question mark. Imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses a command, request or advice. For example, don't go. This is command. Get me a pen please. This is request. Let us go. This is proposal. Work hard. This is advice. कहते हैं imperative sentences वो होते हैं जिसमें क्या है, कोई हमारी कमांड, रिक्वेस्ट, ऑर्डर, एडवाइस, ऐसी जो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं उनको हम इम्पेरेटिव बोलते हैं. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस आर दैट सेंटेंसेस विच आर एक्सप्रेसेस अ स्ट्रॉन्ग और सडन फीलिंग ऑफ सरप्राइज, एंगर, पेन, सॉरो. ओके, जिसमें हमारी कोई सडन स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग बाहर आती है एकदम से, अचानक से, तो वो एक्सक्लेमेटरी होते हैं. और दीज सेंटेंसेस आर स्टार्टेड विद हुर्रे, ओह, आउच. Alas, let's read them. Hooray, we won the trophy. This is joyful sentence. Alas, he is no more. This is sorrow. Oh, what a beautiful scene. Surprise. Look, attention. An exclamatory sentence has an exclamation mark at the end. This is your exclamation mark. ऐसे. Phrase. A phrase is a group of words that make some sense but not a complete sense. कहते phrase ऐसे sentences होते हैं जो हमें कुछ सेंस तो देते हैं लेकिन कंप्लीट मीनिंग नहीं उनसे हमें मिलता है. रीड द फॉलोइंग. ऑन द वॉल, एट नून, बिहाइंड द वॉल, इन द इवनिंग. These are phrases. These are phrases and they cannot give us complete meaning, but they give us some sense, little meaning. A sentence always has a verb but phrase does not. कहते हैं जो ये phrases हैं इनमें हमारी verb use नहीं होती है और sentence में हमेशा verb use होती है. Read the following sentences. There is a scenery on the wall. कहते हैं ये हमारा sentence है. यहाँ पे is जो है वो verb है. He came at noon. Came हमारी verb है और ये complete meaning भी दे रहे हैं तो ये sentences हैं. The man stood behind the wall. She will came tomorrow. These are sentences and these are phrases. Thank you.